Hey guys, welcome back on the channel. Today's video is about Shaobank. I was actually got contacted by a gentleman named Conrad Wong, supposedly the directing manager of Shaobank. Then I just got into it and came to take a look at it. And from what I can tell you, I mean, this is a straight up Ponzi, not gonna lie. The whole thing is super sketchy. There's a lot of loose hands, and I'm gonna show you what those are. Although I gotta tell you, this is something that has pushing marketing so far and hard. They're going heavy in multiple language communities. There's Brazilian, Italian, Spanish, what else? German, probably even. So yeah, they're going quite hard with marketing. But the videos that you will see, they will only tell you how this works, and basically they pay 0.2 to 0.5% a day, but they don't tell you the loose hands. I mean, for what I can see, right? So that's why I'm doing the video and sharing you that information with you, right? So let's go ahead and check what Shaobank has to offer. So basically, the first thing that popped into my eyes was that they have like these pretty images. Look at what she's holding, US dollars in her hand. Although this is an Hong Kong based bank, and if you just scroll forward down, you will see that everything that they that they mention when it comes to currency is always the Hong Kong dollar, HKW, not the US dollar as this young lady is holding in her hands. Okay, so that's already a loose hand for me, but there's plenty more. So the whole website, I gotta tell you, this is very high end in the way that they put attention to it. So I don't uh, it doesn't surprise me that people get misled by it, and aware people at least, because everything shows this to be a legit thing, like when it comes to looks, all right? But if you go and read through the whole thing, you'll see there's a lot of fluff, but the juice will be none. Okay, as always with these type of things which are straight up ponzi's. Okay, so they're basically lying to you and telling you that they're a legit bank, and when they're not. Let's go here on business and careers just so that you understand, because if they are a bank they should have like legit careers, right? Which they don't. The only career that they have here is take advantage of additional earning opportunities with Bank and earn unlimited income. So this is the best career opportunity. Everyone wants to earn unlimited income, right? How? By purchasing corporate bonds, you save and increase your capital at a profit. Plus, you receive bonus tokens added to your account up to 20%. Smells like a Ponzi already, right? Of your partner's bond purchases at the rate of blah blah blah. So basically, be affiliate of theirs, bring people in, shield your link, and you'll get a cut of the pie. Get an affiliate link, step one. Step two, a friend buys bonds, someone who follows your link. Step three, your T balance is replenished. Every time your network members make a purchase, you automatically receive tokens. So there you go. Unlimited income. How? By feeding more unsuspecting people to the Ponzi, okay? There's a lot of things that don't add up. And you see there's plenty of levels, like up to 10 levels. This is unbelievable. So if you go ahead and chill for these guys, that's where the unlimited income comes from, not from a career in the banking sector. Okay, so I think there's plenty of evidence, but still, I just ran a quick Google search and I just found out these nice press releases from the Insurance Authority warns against fraudulent website. March 29th, the IA today wishes to alert members of the public in Hong Kong to a fraudulent website with the domain name Shaobank.com containing false or misleading information about the company named Shaobank and its alleged partner company named Go Insurance. The companies are not and never have been an authorized insurer or a licensed insurance intermediary under the insurance ordinance. I'm not going to read the whole thing. I think you got the point, right? Another one I found is from the Hong Kong Monetary Authority website alert, Shaobank.com. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority wishes to alert members of the public in Hong Kong that Shaobank, as referred to on the above website, does not have the Monetary Authority authorization under the banking ordinance to carry on banking business. Needless to say, but they're a Ponzi, right? They're just trying to mislead you. And the irony of it, I'm not going to read the whole thing. If you want, just pause the video and do it yourself. But The irony of it is that in order for them to make this facade of being legit, I'm going to show you. So, like I was saying, this is under the insurance tab, fraud prevention. What's the difference between fraud and a scam? And in order for them to show themselves as a legit company who is honestly interested in protecting uh, your best interest, they come here with these pop-up phrases. What is a fraud? Fraud is a theft of money from your accounts and cards. It is a transaction that you have not made or authorized. By the way, they can fraud you at any point because your money is in their wallets. They can pull off the website at any point, run with the money, grab the bags, and you will be left empty-handed. Okay, what is a scam? Scamming is the act of misleading a user, which they are doing. I already showed you they are not a legit bank. All right, they are just a straight up Ponzi. Helping you stay safe. Join the fight against cyber criminals by learning how to keep yourself safe and alert us to fraud attempts. How will you know it's not us? Beware of those who ask to borrow your bank account or offer easy money. It usually looks too good to be true, and that's exactly the irony of it. That's what they're doing. They're offering you something which looks too good to be true. So in a way, they are already in their website. They alert you to what they will do to you. So that's the irony of it, in my opinion. It's kind of funny. I'm not gonna not gonna lie. It's kind of funny in how this comes up to be. So let me find here on their website something that they actually make you believe it's too good to be true, because they will try to make you believe that themselves here on the website. Let me just try to find that. So here it is. It's under the digital banking tab, and then you go on deposits, and you'll see advantages of the bank, reliability of investment, stability of payments, guaranteed profit. I mean, if this is not selling something which is too good to be true, I don't know what it is. So, uh, yeah, just one of those other things that just don't really add up, right? So let's go here on the business tab, market analysis. This is super random, but they found out a way to just pop up something which is related to cryptocurrency. Keep your finger on the pulse of the market. Traditional, the value of any national currency is set by the central bank or national government, but in Hong Kong, these duties carried out by the monetary authority. Remember, the same monetary authority that brings these press releases alerting for the website, right? So now, from out of nowhere, cryptocurrency marketing analysis, and they list a ton of these major cryptos, which is nothing other than just the information you can get on any exchange, on CoinGecko, for example, or on CoinMarketCap. Circulating supply, volume for the last 24 hours, market cap, uh, the fluctuation for the last 7 days, 24 hours, the current price. I mean, this is super, super random. Uh, I don't know, something which came from started with bonds and insurance, now just out of nowhere pops up something related to cryptocurrencies. Super, super odd. Okay, but there's more to it. So if you find the pictures of the CEO on their website, you will see that this gentleman here is the founder. There's the CEO. There's also another lady. On these videos on their own YouTube channel, you will see them showing face, but these are not real people. I think they are just paid fivers, for example. And you can see very clearly that this is not a real picture of the office. This is a guy in a suit. In the background, there's probably a green screen, and then they added in the after they added the image of this Zaubank alleged office, which seems to be super, super artificial to me. So I don't think this is legit at all. It's just a part of the facade. Okay. One other thing, actually, it's the market watch. This is something I also found with a quick Google search. So Zaubank's innovative approach propels its rapid rise as one of the most promising banks for the next 15 years. This is a press release from March 24th. Uh, People might come across it and think, okay, this is from a reputable source, but it's not. Market Watch, if you will see under here, the Market Watch news department was not involved in the creation of this content. So basically, they paid up. They made the content, they paid to be posted here and to come across as something which is legit. And once again, let me go back to the website to show you. So this is the last thing I want to show you. So here he is, Yang Zhao, the founder, right? Then who else there is? There's more people that they show, but this is enough to make my point. So in this case, what I want to share with you is that they have a financial release. Let me open it real fast. So this PDF is also available on their website, and it's the financial report for 2022. It's a big PDF, and what I wanted to showcase to you is that at some point they come up with these awards and recognition received in FY 2022. This slide shows the multiple awards won by the bank in the financial year. It also covers the bank's major news highlights. And then there's these random pictures once again, and Xiaobank was included in the top 20 most promising banks in China. Random pictures? Why? Well, you don't see the founder here. You don't see any of the other people who are the higher ups of the bank that show face in their website. You see a random picture, which is definitely photoshopped. And none of these people looks even Asian. So I don't even understand how they have so much attention to detail in some things, but in others, like, it's pretty sloppy. This looks good, yeah, but if you pay close attention, it's definitely just something random that they just pushed in to fill in, make it sound legit. Because if there's something as a financial award of the year, don't you think it should be a picture here of the founder or of the CEO of any of the higher ups in the bank getting the awards or taking part in the ceremony? No, there's nothing as such in here. It's just a random picture, random people, probably edited picture. I would definitely lean on for the edited version. All of this here is artificial. They just cut these silhouettes of people and then they Photoshop the whole thing. Okay, so basically, this is definitely a Ponzi. If you want to go in, go in. I mean, it's up to you. It's your money, but I don't I don't know how long this will last. Even in their website, they have an address. The address, if you search it on Google Maps, it's going to be for the HSBC headquarters building, which is a building. I think they have banks in it, but there's no mention of Zhao Bank. Okay, so basically, this is my review of Zhao Bank to you. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more of this type of content. Take care and stay safe. You see how crazy this crypto world can get, and I'll see you on the next one.